to my channel, my amazing craft artist. This is going to be a fun haul for you guys. I went to Hobby Lobby again. I said I wasn't going to go shop anymore, but I did it anyways. I thought this is cute stuff. I had to buy this, so I love it. I'm trying to get better at this channel and make better crafting and better scrapbooking and better art. So I thought to myself, I'm going to go in here and see what they have. And they have these wonderful things, and I'm going to show you right now. I found these beautiful ribbon right here. I love this, and beautiful trim. Then I saw some woodland creatures. I had to get those as well. And then I saw this right here, this beautiful lovely way to display your ribbon. So let's get started on the pearls first and the ribbon. So right here, I want to show you this up close and personal for you guys and see. This is the name of the company. Look how cute their little logo is. I love it. Whoever did that did a good job. I'm trying to work on my logo right now as well. So the Ribbon Boutique, look how cute this is. And it's $2.99 and it's 74 cents reduced on clearance, and I love the pretty purple and white, so I got this for my collection. I love how that looks. And then right here, I had to get these. These were saying, Danielle, buy me, even though I don't like pink, but pink's a pretty color. I think pink's a wonderful color, pretty whatever, but without white and red, there is no pink. I keep telling everybody in every video. So if you like pink, you really do like red. So you say you don't like red, that's not true if you like pink. So I thought I'd put that out there. Look how beautiful this light pink looks. It's so pretty, you guys. And this is the name of the company, Merchant 41. I love this. It's a pearl trim, pink opal. I love pink opal. I love anything opal. This is what I got right here. The price was 99 cents, and I love how this looks. This is wonderful, and this is $3.99 regular price, and I just love it. Let me show you this up close and personal what it looks like. Look at this. Look how pretty this is, and how light it looks. And I got two of them for the price. Couldn't beat that for 99 cents. So also I bought these right here, some woodland creatures. I love woodland creatures. These are wonderful to have in your art and crafting and scrapbooking room. I love it. I love painting these. I put glitter on these. I love, making them colors that you never would think a fox will look like. It's a beautiful fox. I put foxes that are pink, purple, red, orange. It doesn't have to be gray and black and brown all the time or white. So cute, right? And this is a fun project for all ages. I love it. I bought two of those, one right there and one right there. So let's put this back up here and show you. Okay, on the top of this container, I'll put those back there. So this is what I'm going to show you. This is why I went to the store to buy this cute container. I keep saying cute for some reason, but this container I bought at Hobby Lobby for $7.99. It's called Soology. It is a ribbon box. This beautiful clear box is so cool. I'm gonna go around the corner. I think I'm gonna take this off and show you up close and personal what I think of this. So let's move these ribbons down here, and I will show you up close and personal what it looks like, and we'll get a better view of this box. Come here, fox. So this is the top right here. This is the top. This thing right here is where you put your ribbon on. Obviously, that's what it looks like on the top, and then on the side, this is what it looks on the side, and I just love it. So maybe I should move this out of the way so I can show you. I'll be right back. This is the side, what it looks like. I think it's wonderful. And it shows you a picture right there, how to put your ribbon on there if you don't know how to do that. I don't know how to, I didn't open it up yet, so I won't show you the inside, but I just love it. I just thought I'd show you the side, the top, right here. This was the top. And it's a cute little box that you put in your craft room, anywhere in your craft room, on the shelf, on your desk. Put it on the floor if you want to. I don't know where I'm putting mine at yet, because I'm still working on my dream craft room, dream ultimate craft room, and my dream home. So I'm saving a lot of money. As you can tell, I have been buying stuff, a lot of things on clearance, just because I want to. I thought it was fun to buy some things that I would need for my business and also for my craft room. So I am working on this video right here. As you can see, it says Be Your Own Boss Fun. It has a couple dollars in there, and that's another video in another time, but I thought I'd just show you that. And I got my little desk over here, really nice and wonderful. So I will be back showing you more things about why I picked this beautiful ribbon box for my beautiful sky blue, aqua blue, beautiful clear container from Dollar Tree about 2-3 years ago. And I love this color. I love how beautiful it looks in a craft room. I love clear containers, and I thought to myself, I put all my beautiful ribbon inside of this. As you can see, this is a lot of beautiful ribbon inside of this beautiful container. It's really squashed in there, and the reason why I bought this container is so I could put my ribbon in here, so I can show it off in my dream craft room whenever that's gonna happen. So this is a really good way to put your ribbon in. But I just love this container. These ribbons are staying here. These are really pretty. I bought all these ribbons from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, you know, Walmart. I've even got some of these from Dollar Tree, and then some Joann Fabrics have these, and I just love some beautiful ribbon. And then I got some ribbon online. Whatever you buy your crafting supplies at, it's fun, exciting. Go in the store, you guys. Don't just buy online. I just think it's ridiculous to keep buying online. The stores need a lot of support. We need to walk in there and give them support and love them. This trim right here is from Walmart. This trim is from Michael's, and Michael's, that's Walmart. And this beautiful brown trim is also from Michael's. I thought it was pretty. These are some pretty ribbons. And I just thought to myself, I have to show this off. And I love this ribbon at the bottom right here. Right here. I got this at Hobby Lobby a few months ago. It's like, look at this beautiful. I'll show you close up personal. Look how pretty that looks. And then that white one I got from Hobby Lobby. I love this container, and it has cute little cartoon character things on it. You see all the butterflies and all the ladybugs and flowers, and it's just a good way to have something fun to have in your craft room. I think it just makes the color pop. So that's why I bought this, to make it just a little bit better, you guys. So yay for crafting, for scrapbooking. I'm gonna do some videos all about this one day. So I love this. I have used a lot of this trim and a lot of these ribbons in different projects over the years, and some are real old, some are not old. So thank you guys for so much for watching this video. Hopefully you watch the whole thing, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends about all this cute stuff that I'm showing you right here. I just love everything in this video. I hope you have fun showing this. I have fun showing this to you. Hope you have some ideas of what you can buy there. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Did you enjoy? Did you love everything I showed you in this haul? I hope you did. From Hobby Lobby, go on your Hobby Lobby. If you really need this stuff, go get it. Have some fun shopping and create something amazing for yourself and your family. I love these ribbons. I love getting ribbon when it's on clearance. I love it so much, you guys. This company is so cool. I love the little logo. I love it. This is beautiful purple and white. And also, I love this beautiful pearl trim, pink opal. Look at this. It's going to be such a fun way to use for my projects. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked everything in this video. I hope you go and find some fun at the craft store or wherever you buy your crafting supplies at. And I love this woodland creatures. I love buying these. I love creating things with these. I love coloring them. And I love this beautiful case right here. Let's get down close and personal. This beautiful case that I got for my ribbon is beautiful. That's the regular price, you guys. Soology ribbon box. I can't wait to put this in my craft room. I'm working on my dream craft room. So hopefully you like this video. Thanks so much, you guys. Keep crafting no matter what. What?